Welcome everyone. Today we'll be exploring the fascinating history of Wollaton Hall, an iconic building in Nottingham. Wollaton Hall was originally built in the 9th century as a manor house and was later expanded by the Boleyn family, who lived here from 1533 to 1610. The hall is famous for its association with Sir Thomas Boleyn, who was beheaded here in 1536 during the English Civil War. Wollaton Hall was the site of numerous battles between the royalists and the parliamentarians. In 1647, Sir Thomas Boleyn's daughter, Elizabeth, married Sir Edward Burgh, a parliamentarian. As a result, the hall was seized by the royalists and burgled. In the aftermath of these events, the hall was extensively damaged and only partially rebuilt. In the 20th century, Wollaton Hall was purchased by the Nottinghamshire County Council and has since been a venue for various cultural events and exhibitions. Today, the hall stands as a testament to the rich history of the Boleyn family and the dramatic events that have shaped Nottingham and its surrounding areas. In conclusion, Wollaton Hall is a remarkable building with a long and intriguing history. From a manor house in the 9th century to a battlefield during the English Civil War, and eventually a venue for cultural events, Wollaton Hall's journey is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the impact of history on our communities.